Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenny and I'm an artist and small business owner creating art tutorials here on YouTube and art classes on Skillshare. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn an Epson Eco Tank into a sublimation printer. When doing my research about sublimation printers, I decided to go with the Epson Eco Tank. The Sawgrass wasn't in my budget, which is the most famous sublimation printer. I found this Epson Eco Tank for I think about $300 at Target. I'm using Hiipoo sublimation inks, which are very affordable and very good quality. When you buy an Epson Eco Tank, it will come with 4 bottles with ink, so you can refill your tank very easily. They look like this and they have a special nozzle that goes into the tank. Now Hiipoo have recently launched their new bottles with the nozzles that you can use with the Eco Tank, and they look like this. So you have the same ink in this amazing bottle, which makes our life so much easier. You just put the bottle into the tank and refill it, and that's it. Now when I bought Hiipoo for the first time, I bought it because it was very affordable, and this was the first sublimation ink that I've used and the only one that I've used. It's very good quality, the colors are super vibrant, and I just don't feel the need to go looking for another brand since this one is so amazing and so affordable, and now even better with this kinds of bottles. Enough talking, let me show you how it works. This is how the Epson 2720 looks like. Now here's the tank that I was talking to you about, and the printer comes with this kinds of bottle filled with regular ink. So you just don't want to use these. You'll toss this and you'll use the Hiipoo sublimation ink with the same nozzle. You're gonna laugh when I tell you this, but when I was filming, I was so distracted by what I was doing that I refilled my cyan color with black, and I had to take that out. My husband did it for me because I was just I didn't know what to do. I was like, oh my god. So we found a really good video on YouTube on how to take the inks out, and I'm gonna leave it in the description box in case you already have this printer and you want to turn it into a sublimation printer. There's a guy that has a really good video on how to do that, and that's how my husband did it. So now I am going to put the correct color in the cyan spot. So let me just make sure, yes, cyan. So let me show you how to do it. So first you open this, and of course here are the colors, so you make sure you're inserting the right color, and you flip this. You take your Hiipoo bottle with this special nozzle, and if you can see that the bottle doesn't release any inks if you put it like this. It will release the inks once you push it down like this. And as you can see, let me show you how it starts filling the tank. So it's completely filled, and I'm going to take my bottle out, and as you can see, it's that easy and mess free. So you put the thingy back, you close it, and there you go. They recently added to their products this Hiipoo sublimation paper. It comes with 110 sheets and it says 98% transfer rate. I also have a video using this paper so you can see how it works. If you want to watch it, it will be in the description box. And I know you can't appreciate it because of the lightning, but this is one of the pieces that I made with that paper. Okay guys, so I hope this video has been helpful for you. I'm gonna leave the link for the ink if you're interested in buying it in the description box. Now Hiipoo did send me these products for me to show you, for me to give you my honest opinion. I started using Hiipoo since I started my sublimation journey, and they contacted me because they saw a video where I was using their products. So they decided to send me their newest products for me to show you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This really helps my channel a lot. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!